Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdullah Anwar and I'm from grade 4A. Today I'll present my topic, pond ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a dynamic complex of plant, animal and microorganism communities and their non-living environment interacting as a functional unit. What is a pond? A pond ecosystem is a freshwater ecosystem in which communities of organisms rely on each other and the water environment for their nutrients and survival. Abiotic factors in an ecosystem. In an ecosystem, biotic factors include all the living parts of the ecosystem. A healthy woodland ecosystem contains producers like grasses and trees, as well as consumers ranging from mice and rabbits to hawks and bears. Abiotic factors in an ecosystem. The abiotic factors in an ecosystem include all the non-living elements of the ecosystem: air, soil, substrate, water, light, and temperature. All impact the living elements of an ecosystem. Thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.